Take a look at this one, a unique, especially in classics, very popular body style. 1961 Chevrolet Apache 10, Stepside Shortbox, or half ton. Underneath the hood, error correct, 235 cubic inch, inline 6. That's paired up with a manual transmission. On the column shift, and take a look at this front end. That iconic hood with the marker lights up above the headlights. This color, similar, I don't know, I'd say it's similar to Galway green back in '61. Turquoise, I guess, for layman terms. A gray, light gray kind of color combination interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, interior, the bed, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white wall radials. Now there are a few spots, I pointed them out in the pictures too. You can see there's a little bit of touch up here and there. Notice one up here in the hood. You can even see that. Just a small spot. But overall, paint shows well. I mean, yeah, there's imperfections here or there. This truck has been driven, believed to be original miles passed along from owner to owner. There's also a owner's manual that's going to come with this, a service manual, I should say a shop manual. There's a kind of a packet of receipts and a little notebook. And that has some interesting information in it, some of the service work that was done to it when one owner got it from a previous one, stating what the miles were and how it had been passed down, and those were original. Of course, it's not on the title. I can't confirm it that way, but there is some notes believed to be original miles. Some of the recent service work that was done to this, head and intake gaskets, both done less than 400 miles ago. Recent plugs, carb kit, and points. And again, there's miscellaneous receipts too that'll go along with this. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Obviously, new wood sideboards on there, good looking. And then, of course, the wood bed with the stainless, also just great shape back here. This truck has seemed to be around the Illinois area a lot, with just some of the research I did. And this is interesting, this rear bumper, and maybe people out there in YouTube video land. So right there, looks like a town in Illinois, Karnak, Illinois. And then it has the actual, behind this license plate bracket, it's done up with Cummins Chevrolet. So Cummins Chevrolet may be where this was sold new at. Was that in Karnak, Illinois once upon a time? But I've never really seen a heavy-duty custom bumper with the city and the Chevy dealership on it. Kind of cool. It looks like it's by Roughneck by Smash Hit. And hey, if you know anything about those bumpers, see this video, let us know. It's kind of cool. I can't say that I've really seen many of those before, if any. Once again, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We're going to start this up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Remember, error correct, 235 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. Actual casting number is 3769716. If you wanted to check that out at all, we'll get a peek at the driver's side. Now for the interior. Very stock looking interior, and as you can see, kind of a little bit of a bronze, I guess, if you will, or darker gray. Two-tone combination on the seat. Vinyl seats, and appear that they could be original, judging by the stitching. Just kind of the condition, the age of the vinyl. It would kind of coincide with those miles too. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. been a great running truck anytime I've started and moved it. Wipers do work. Have the wipers working. There's what the miles read, 56,551. And again, for about the past 10, 12, 15 years, recorded in a little booklet what was done to it, some of the past service history, and then some notes from previous owner to previous owner. All right, it's kind of cool. Got heat and defrost right here. Fan blows cold or blows. Does work, of course, on the defrost for heat and defrost. Simple times, but how cool is that? That door closes very nicely. Slip around to the back. You probably can't really hardly hear it run. Smooth, quiet truck. Slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video. I might be able to get this open one-handed. Let's see. Opens very easy. First of all, take a look underneath the hood. And that is obviously reflection. This over here that you see right up in there, that's reflection from the paint. It's nice and black and shiny underneath that hood, as well as the rest of this engine bay. And listen to that purr. Again, new intake. Head gasket, so some service work done to it. And then plugs, points. Probably explains why it runs so smooth. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. How fun would this be for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows? 1961 Chevrolet Apache, half-ton, regular cab, short box, Stepside, looking good. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1961 Chevy Apache pickup, and we're taking it for a drive today. This is a 3 on the tree. It's a really good runner. Shifts excellent, runs excellent. It's quiet. It feels like stepping back in time, like into a factory 1961 Apache. Today we have snow on the ground in Minnesota, but not on the roads. The roads are dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. We're getting her up about 50 miles an hour. It's a smooth running truck. No vibrations or shimmies. Temperature is just coming up on a quarter on the gauge right now. It's cold outside today in Minnesota, and we got a fuel gauge at a quarter. They both appear to work well. Our wipers work very well. Blower motor works. We've got good heat. It's a really stock appearing truck. It's great with the woodside beds. Let's take her through a roundabout here. Easy to steer, corners well, acceleration is good. Definitely want to check this truck out on our website or in our showroom.